This Instant Pot Pro 8-quart 10-in-1 electric pressure cooker is built for people who want serious cooking power without turning their kitchen into a maze of appliances. It represents a refined evolution of the multi-cooker concept, combining speed, precision, safety, and versatility in a single, thoughtfully engineered unit. Designed for families, meal preppers, and home cooks who value efficiency, this model focuses on delivering consistent results while simplifying the entire cooking process from start to finish. At first glance, the Instant Pot Pro presents a clean, modern design that feels purposeful rather than flashy. The black exterior fits seamlessly into most kitchens, while the sturdy construction signals durability. This is not an appliance meant to be hidden away. It is clearly built to be used often. The control panel is intuitive, with clear labeling and responsive buttons that remove the intimidation many people feel when using pressure cookers for the first time. What truly sets this model apart is its 10-in-1 functionality, which allows it to replace several standalone appliances. It functions as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice and grain cooker, steamer, sauté pan, sous vide machine, yogurt maker, sterilizer, and food warmer. This level of versatility makes it especially appealing for households that want to reduce clutter while expanding their cooking capabilities. Instead of switching tools, you switch modes, and the transition feels seamless. Performance is one of the strongest aspects of the Instant Pot Pro. With 1,400 watts of power, it preheats faster and cooks significantly quicker than traditional methods. Pressure cooking can reduce cooking times by up to 70% compared to slow cooking, which is a major advantage for busy households. Weeknight dinners that once took hours can now be completed in under an hour without sacrificing flavor or texture. The 28 customizable smart programs are designed to remove guesswork from everyday cooking. These presets cover a wide range of meals, from soups and stews to rice, yogurt, and even baking. Each program is tuned for optimal temperature and pressure, allowing both beginners and experienced cooks to achieve reliable results. For those who prefer more control, manual adjustments are easy to make, offering flexibility without complexity. One of the most appreciated upgrades in the Instant Pot Pro is its gentle steam release system. Traditional pressure cookers can be loud and intimidating when releasing steam, but this model uses a diffusing cover and smooth release switch that significantly reduces noise and mess. This feature alone makes the cooking experience calmer and more approachable, especially in smaller kitchens or shared living spaces. The 8-quart capacity makes this model ideal for larger families, entertaining, or batch cooking. It comfortably handles meals for up to 8 servings, making it well-suited for meal prep and freezer cooking. Large cuts of meat, whole chickens, and big batches of soup fit easily, allowing you to cook once and eat multiple times throughout the week. The stainless steel inner pot is another standout feature. Its tri-ply construction ensures even heat distribution and durability, while the easy grip handles make lifting and transferring safer and more convenient. Unlike nonstick pots, stainless steel is built to last and holds up well to high heat, sautéing, and frequent use. Cleanup is refreshingly simple. The dishwasher-safe lid and inner pot eliminate much of the post-cooking frustration that often comes with complex appliances. Food residue releases easily, and the design minimizes hard-to-reach areas. This ease of maintenance encourages regular use rather than relegating the appliance to occasional cooking. Safety is clearly a priority with the Instant Pot Pro. It includes multiple built-in safety mechanisms such as overheat protection, an auto-sealing lid lock, and carefully calibrated pressure controls. These features work quietly in the background, allowing users to cook confidently without constantly monitoring the appliance. An added bonus is access to an app with over 800 guided recipes, which expands the appliance's value beyond its physical features. These recipes provide inspiration, structure, and variety, making it easier to explore new dishes without feeling overwhelmed. Overall, the Instant Pot Pro 8-quart 10-in-1 is designed for real-world cooking. It saves time, reduces effort, and delivers consistent results across a wide range of recipes. Rather than focusing on novelty, it prioritizes performance, safety, and usability, making it a reliable centerpiece for modern kitchens. Key features and benefits: 10-in-1 multifunctional cooking system. Powerful 1400 watt performance for faster meals. 28 customizable smart cooking programs. Quiet and controlled steam release. Large 8-quart capacity for families and meal prep. Durable stainless steel inner pot. Dishwasher-safe components for easy cleanup. Pros and cons. Pros: replaces multiple kitchen appliances. Significantly reduces cooking time. Quiet and safe steam release system. Large capacity ideal for families. Easy to clean and maintain. Cons: larger footprint than smaller models. Learning curve for first-time pressure cooker users. Stainless steel pot requires proper technique to avoid sticking. Final verdict: the Instant Pot Pro 8-quart 10-in-1 is an excellent investment for anyone who wants to cook smarter, faster, and more efficiently. Its blend of power, safety, and versatility makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced home cooks. If you value convenience without compromising quality, this appliance delivers on every front. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and explore everything the Instant Pot Pro can do. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.